my mom's house when she was a baby.
Yes. Tour us. Can you tour us? Go. Malakas yung boses mo dapat. Go.
It's kind of dirty. It's kind of dirty here.
Malakas.
I know there's a note here.
The master's bedroom.
This is where the master bedroom because mommy and dad is going to sleep here.
Wow. Okay, let's go to other room.
I need the key.
Oh, yun.
The key.
Ah.
Kay nanagamat.
Nanagamat ulo.
Hila na sigurong maglinis ka yan, Ken. Reta maglipan. At least kaya naman, oh. Malinis naman yung pintura. Tara din sa iba. Let's go. Right?
There's more space.
Tara.
So over here,
Wow. Mayroon pa doon.
maybe this is going to be the table.
Malinis naman eh, oh. Kaya niyang tatali namin to.
And then over
Clean dito. It's alright.
there.
Pares tayo ng color ng ano, oh.
Yeah, but
Damit.
there's a shadow.
Because...
And over here is just a normal bathroom.
Sa likod.
Lock again.
Malakas! Hindi ko na naririnig yung sinasabi mo.
Okay, maybe our chickens can go here at the bathroom wall. Over here, there's another place that you can relax. And I see there's a note here.
Heart.
So, I know there's a big tree over here. They talking about us.
You still remember? I told you, di ba, may big tree dito.
Yes, but this another place.
Just sa paint, anak. Pinaint nila yung, ano, yung bubong.
How did they even get there? They use a ladder? So what is that?
Screen.
And over here, there's just a little bit of space here that does not make any sense. Watch out for the hole there. Let's go move out.
May sense to, anak. You can, ano dito, escape. Joke. Kailangan kasi ng space yung house. Tara, doon tayo. Ikot tayo.
Let's go. Let's go to this parking lot.
Kaya ka magsampay dito, oh. Sa side.
Oh, what's happened with
Ang daming ano, alak. Wow.
play over here?
Makabulat ko ba? Na dito. Mas paharap.
Look, there's a bird. Look at the roof is painted.
Ano?
The roof is painted. Look at the roof.
Oh, babay ka na.
Bye, Flag.